In every crisis, one metal stands tall while everything else falls: gold. From wars to recessions, from inflation to currency crashes, gold has protected wealth for centuries. It's not just a metal, it is trust, stability, and power in your hands. In this video, we'll uncover 8 solid reasons why gold will always remain the safe haven and the undisputed king of metals. 1. Massive central bank buying. In 2020, they bought around 255 tons. In 2021, that jumped 82% higher to 463 tons. Then in 2022, purchases more than doubled again, crossing 1,100 tons, the highest in modern history. Even in 2023 and 2024, central banks stayed above the 1,000-ton mark, far beyond the decade average of around 470 tons. This shows one clear trend: governments are not selling gold, they're accumulating it. Largest buyer, Poland, leading the global race to expand its reserves. Second largest buyer, India, steadily strengthening its currency base with gold backing. Third largest buyer, Turkey, diversifying its reserves away from the US dollar. Fourth, China, quietly adding to its holdings every month. Fifth, Singapore, emerging as a key buyer among developed economies. Together, these nations represent the core demand driving gold prices higher. With central banks buying over 4,000 tons in just 5 years, it's clear, gold isn't just a commodity anymore, it's a global currency of trust. 2. Global debt and currency devaluation. Governments around the world are running record fiscal deficits and printing money to fund spending. This reduces confidence in paper currencies like the US dollar, euro, and yen. The chart clearly shows the upward trend of global debt, with a notable jump around 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic response. Geopolitical tensions. Ongoing conflicts like Ukraine-Russia make investors seek safe haven assets. In uncertain times, gold acts as a global insurance policy, no country's promise needed. Gold demand usually spikes during geopolitical stress. 4. Negative to low real interest rates. Even if central banks raise interest rates, real rates, after inflation, often remain low or negative. Gold has no yield, but when real returns on bonds or savings are near zero, investors prefer gold. Low real interest rates equals strong gold prices. 5. De-dollarization. Many countries are reducing dependency on the US dollar in trade and reserves. Gold is being used as a neutral settlement asset, not controlled by any one country. As trust in the dollar declines, gold gains credibility as a universal reserve asset. 6. Limited supply growth. Global gold mining output is almost flat, most major deposits are already discovered. New projects are costly and take 10 to 15 years to become operational. Limited new supply keeps the long-term flow high. 7. ETF and retail demand. Investor demand through ETFs, jewelry, and bars, coins continues, especially in India, China, and the Middle East. These markets view gold as a store of generational wealth, not a trade. Strong. 8. Psychological and historical trust. Gold has been money for 5,000 plus years. It has outlasted every empire, currency, and economic system. This historical trust makes investors turn to gold in uncertain times, keeping it from collapsing. Gold is not just a commodity, it's financial security. Cultural and investment demand support stability. So even though prices may dip in the short term, gold continues to stand firm, backed by central banks, global demand, and centuries of trust. Remember, markets may fluctuate, but real wealth never crashes, it just changes hands. Stay informed, stay patient, and let your investments work for you. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to Market Pulse, and turn on the bell icon to stay updated.